Hello, and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today I got some leftover turkey here from Thanksgiving. I got a lot more than this, but anyway, I've got 2 cups of it here that's chopped up and tore up, and I'm going to make some the easy turkey soup. So I'm going to use some sweet corn, I'm going to use some turkey gravy, I'm going to use cream of mushroom soup, I'm going to use this cheddar cheese soup over here. That's good stuff right there. If you've never tried any, you have to get some cheddar cheese soup. Try that. I've got 12 ounces of peas, sweet peas. I've got 12 ounces of carrots. I've got 2 stalks of celery, which is never enough, but anyway, I got 2 stalks of celery, and I got this onion, and I got this minced garlic here. So, now let's get started with it. The first thing I'm going to do is chop this celery up right here. That's the good part about this recipe. There's not a whole lot of prep for it, just a few little items. So after I get the celery and the onion chopped up, I'm ready to start adding some of the ingredients to this Ninja FOODi over here. And we're going to get this going. It shouldn't take long to fix this. I was going to fix my own stock. I looked out the window earlier today and I saw the garbage truck going down the road, and come to find out that's where my turkey carcass was. It hitched a ride to that. So if I want to make it simple like this, if I'm going to make it simple without making my own stock, I'm going to make it real simple. So hey, and this is going to be real good too. If you don't believe me, y'all try it sometimes. You don't have to cut this onion real small, because you know the way onions are, they go more or less try to cook up anyway, you know. So you do them like that and they just come apart like this, so that'll be good down in there. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is turn the power on right here, and then you go over here and hit this, wait, so used to hitting the buttons. You go over here and take this knob and you turn it over here to where it says sear saute at, and right now I'm going to leave it on high. And if you don't hit the start button, you sit there all day long, it's not going to heat up. So hit the start button and it'll start. And you know, if I show you to make sure you hit that start button, there's been one time or another I didn't hit the start button. Yeah, so anyway, now let's start adding these ingredients here. I'm going to put this celery and onion down in here. Now these sweet peas here, these are frozen sweet peas. So next we're going to put those down in there. And like I said, now that's 12 ounces of sweet peas and 12 ounces of carrots down in there, frozen. Okay, now I'm going to take this sweet corn and put it down in there, and that smells so good. It sure does. This is going to be good. Okay, now I'm going to put this cheddar cheese down in there. Now, this is going to be some good stuff. Now we'll take this can of cream of mushroom soup down there. Now these are 10, that's a 10.5 ounce can there. Alright, now I'm going to take this 10-ounce can of, or 10.5 ounce can of turkey gravy and put in here. Then I'm going to take this 2 cups of turkey and put down here. Now this is mostly white meat. There's some dark meat in there also. I'm going to take a teaspoon of this minced garlic and put down there, and it says ½ teaspoon equals 1 clove. So we'll put a good teaspoon down in there. Maybe a little heaping teaspoon, but not quite that much. You don't want to overpower it. All right, now I can hear it down there on the bottom, so I'm going to see if I can't give it a little stir here. It's starting to warm up. Now this is going to be turkey vegetable soup right here. And now I really hate my turkey carcass hitchhike out of here, because I sure was looking forward to making some stock, but that's the way it goes sometimes. So now I think I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. I'm going to leave it on medium. You had to hit the temperature button here, and it starts flashing. Then you turn this button until it gets to your desired temperature. Now I'm just going to leave it on medium for a while after I stir it again. Okay, right now that's starting to look pretty good already. I'm going to put my top on it here. I'm just going to let it sit there for a few minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, now I'll turn the temperature on down to low medium here. So it's just simmering away too fast. And I want it to cook slow. I'm going to move over there real quick so you can see exactly what this looks like. This looks great. See down there, that looks delicious, doesn't it? Now I planned on, if it looked like it was too stiff, to get me some chicken broth to put down in there. But I don't know if I want to put anything else in there or not. That looks just too good the way it is. I'm just going to let it sit here and simmer on this low medium for about 30 to 45 minutes. And then I'm going to try it. I'll let you know exactly how long I'll let it sit there. But I don't think I'm going to put any more liquid in there. So that's looking pretty good. Okay, now this stuff's been simmering here, and I've been moving the temperature back and forth between medium and low medium for about an hour now. I want to tell you right now, that's smelling so good. It looks so good too. We'll take a look at it and see what it looks like here. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks pretty good, don't it, Bucks? All right, let me put this lid down. We'll try just a little bit. Okay, now I've had this stuff simmering for in between medium and low medium for about an hour now. And it looks and smells so good, you wouldn't hardly believe it. You talk about a turkey vegetable soup here. Now this is an easy way to do it. Now if you want to go ahead and get all your ingredients fresh like that and make them, there's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. This is just a fast way to have a one pot meal, you know, and be ready to go. And your family's going to love this, I'm going to tell you. And you don't have to tell them you open cans and put in there if you don't want to. But let's take the spoonful out and see what it's like. Okay, while I'm thinking about it, if y'all can join our channel and give us a thumbs up, we sure appreciate it. Thank you very much, all you people that watches our video and buy stuff from our Amazon links. That means a lot to us and helps us out a lot. And so, let me see if I can get a bite of this. I think it's going to be too hot. I want to turn it back down to start with here. I want to turn it back down to medium low. Let it quit simmering quite so hard. Oh yeah, that stuff. That stuff won't stay here long. It'll be eat up. Now, once more, let me see if it's clear. It's still so hot. By the way, the turkey in this is smoked turkey that I smoked for Thanksgiving. That was a really good turkey. So thanks again for watching our videos, and hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and hope you come back and see us real soon. Until then, y'all have a real good and safe day now. Goodbye.